I hope each of you take pride in what you've accomplished. Roman's accelerated development is a true success story of what we can achieve when... Thank you, Bethany. Good afternoon, everybody. As you can see behind me, the impressive Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope is now fully assembled, has completed testing, and is undergoing the final preparations before it'll be shipped to Kennedy Space Center to soon take its place among America's great observatories alongside Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope, the near impossible missions that change the world. Because of their hard work, I have the privilege of announcing today that we are now targeting an early September launch, 8 months ahead of schedule and under budget. The greater our curiosity to understand the great unknown. So to our workforce and commercial partners, Roman will investigate dark matter, dark energy, and the structure of the universe itself, and accelerate the future of discovery of potentially habitable planets outside our solar system. Its surveying capabilities are over 1,000 times faster than Hubble and can chart 200 times more sky in a single image. And what would take Hubble 2,000 years to process, Roman can do in a year. The images it captures will be so large there is not a screen in existence large enough to show them. Roman will give the Earth a new atlas of the universe, and I think it's worth pausing for a moment and just think about how really incredible that is.
That is, I can't stop saying it, ahead of schedule and under budget. Hubble gathered 172 terabytes of data in its first 30 years. Roman will downlink 1.4 terabytes of science data every day. Roman will discover tens of thousands of new planets outside our solar system. It will reveal billions of galaxies, thousands of supernovae, and tens of billions of stars. That is extremely exciting, and literally all of the science that we can use to apply and build off our interconnected NASA science portfolio.
The mic back after asking your question to...
So you could consider one of Roman's roles to be something like a finding chart for the James Webb Space Telescope, that we'll find some of the most extraordinary, unique places in the universe, and that we can direct our most powerful scopes to really hone in on the details and take advantage of Roman's breadth and Hubble's depth.
There's something online called the Artemis II effect as part of the Kerbal Space Program community.